Hello, my name is Michaela Croft, and today I will be presenting my business report on ecosystems. An overview. Today I will be discussing what ecosystem seminars have taught me. They've taught me the importance of an effective business message, as well as the use of persuasion, and how much an image can make you connect with your audience. Although ecosystem seminars are great, there is always room for improvement. After doing some research and seeing what trainings other companies offer, I believe ecosystems would benefit from adding time management skills to their seminar. I believe providing a training for associates to connect with their senior employees would also help build the company relationships. And a communication workshop would help improve the overall flow of communication. What I've learned from the seminars. The current seminars at Ecosystems have taught me that effective business messages need to be engaging, clear, and organized. They've also taught me the importance of persuasion. Explain the different techniques you can use, different persuasive appeals, how to use persuasion in your writing, when you're breaking bad news or filing a complaint. I learned the importance of visuals as well, and how they allow you to have an emotional connection with the audience and enhance an overall presentation. Major concepts. After observing a couple of companies, I believe a time management training is often necessary for companies. Employees often lack this skill set, which can result in poor work quality. Bombos, a leader in retail company, offers a variety of programs that I think ecosystems would benefit from, such as Managing for Success seminar that teaches management skills. They also offer a How to Manage Up Well seminar that trains associate level employees to navigate relationships with their senior employees. Another company I believe we could benefit from looking into their training is LSA Global, which offers a communication skills training workshop which will improve business and technical presentations and demonstrate how to manage difficult performance conversations, problem solving, and critical thinking. My recommendations. After conducting some research and seeing what training other companies offer, I believe ecosystems would benefit from adding a time management skill to their seminar. Providing a training for associates to connect better with senior employees would help the company build relationships, and a communication workshop would help improve the overall flow of communication. Thank you.